It's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today we are going to go over how to personalize the little puppy dogs that we purchased at the Dollar Tree. So to get this tutorial started, we are doing something a little different. The reason why we are on the computer is we are going to go from start to finish on how to design this in Design Space, which we're just going to add a name to it, nothing fancy. Now, first things first, I've already got my Design Space window open because it is an internet-based program, and I'm clicking the text icon. Now you can see our text box has appeared, and we are going to type out Cameron's name. There we go. Now we're going to change the font. Now to change the font, we go up here, and I already know what fonts I want to use. I want to use Night Brush right here, which is a font you can download off of either 1001 Free Fonts or thefont.com. I can't remember. Now, as you can see, the font looks very spaced out, so we are going to change that. Now, how we do that is by clicking the Ungroup button right up here. Now, I'm going to take and select everything except for the K and the A, and we're going to use the left arrow or the right arrow key and move it towards, or use the left arrow key to move it twice to the left. And we're going to do that again by selecting the ERON, left arrow 1, 2. Now we're selecting the RON, 1, 2. One, two. 1, 2. Now I'm going to select all those letters except for the K and hit weld. Now that is one piece, and we want to move this closer to the K, so we're going to arrow that over using the left arrow key. 1, 2, 3. I like it to be pretty close. Now I'm going to select all of it using my mouse and click attach. Now that is all one piece, and we are going to make this 3 inches wide, and I'm going to click the unlock up here so that way I can change the height. I'm going to make it 1 inch tall. There we go. Now we're going to go up here and click make it, and we're going to click right here for mirror because this is an iron-on project, and click continue. Now it's going to find my Cricut maker, and we're going to choose iron-on vinyl. Now we're going to switch screens so we can see the maker in action. Okay, so now as you can see, we are pointed directly at the Cricut maker, and this is the puppy dog that we are going to iron on today. And we are going to be using the flat iron to apply it, which I've already put my Teflon flat iron covers over it so it protects the iron. And I just turned that on so that way by the time this is through cutting, we will be able to apply it to the puppy. Now we have our silver confetti glitter. I like to use glitter on projects like these, and I'm removing the protective cover off of my Cricut mat, and I'm just going to take and line my vinyl onto my Cricut mat, which this is nice and new and sticky, so give me a sec. Across the top and across this side. Doesn't matter if it's perfect over here because once we load it, we're only using about 3 inches by 1 inch. Now we're going to push this under. There are, let's see if I can zoom you in. You see these ridges right here? You want to slide your mat under. Now I'm going to adjust you back up. And I'm going to click the blinking arrow button because we already sent it to cut using our computer. Now we're clicking the C so it starts to cut. So this is just trying to show you the entire process. Uh-oh, my flat iron slid off. It's okay though. The table was shaking from it actually sending something to cut. There we go. Now we're going to take and unload that and remove it from our mat. I'm going to set the mat down here. Now I'm going to take and adjust the camera up so you can see me. There we go. So now you can see more of what I'm doing. Now I'm taking my scissors and cutting around where we have Cameron's name on here. So that way there's no waste on the vinyl. Taking our easy weeding wooden pick, and we're going to weed off the excess. So as you can see, that weeds super easy. Now I'm going to take and pull out the centers. And I like to use glitter for these types of projects. It seems to go on better, but it is your preference on what you like to use. There we go. So now we have Cameron's name weeded, and we're just going to take and place that across the tummy on the puppy dog. And this is such a small design, you can kind of see when you're straight. Let's see. There we go. So his name's nice and straight on there. And as I said, I made this 3 inches by 1 inch. Now I'm taking my flat iron, which is covered in the Teflon flat iron covers, so that way it protects it, and I'm squeezing it shut. And we're going to count. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Let's see if that is nice and applied. Yes, it is. So there you go. Let's see if I can change the view a little bit so you can see more of me. So now the name is nice and applied. Hopefully that helps you with a full Cricut walkthrough, and we are going to get more in depth on some of our other projects. Remember to go ahead and check us out on all the social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button down below. That will notify you when we post new videos. And also don't forget to hit the little bell notification icon next to it. That will take and notify you when there's a new video posted. So I think that's it. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.